Welcome back to Gadget Waves, your go-to channel for the latest tech and gadgets that make life easier and smarter. Today, we're diving into 5 cutting-edge gadgets that are redefining the way we live, work, and play. Whether you're looking to secure your home, upgrade your grilling game, or stay powered up off the grid, we've got something for everyone. So, let's get started. First up, the Abode Cam 2. This versatile indoor and outdoor Wi-Fi camera is perfect for keeping an eye on your property day or night. With 1080p HD video, motion detection, and night vision, you'll always have a clear view of what's happening, whether you're home or away. The two-way audio lets you talk directly through the camera, and it integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. Plus, it's weather-resistant, making it ideal for any location. Secure your home the smart way with Abode Cam 2. Next, we've got the Google Nest Hub Max 2. Google has taken their smart display to the next level with an improved camera, better sound quality, and enhanced smart home integration. Whether you're making video calls, watching YouTube, or controlling your smart lights and thermostat, the Nest Hub and Max 2 is a powerhouse of convenience. With built-in Google Assistant, it's your central hub for managing everything from your calendar to your connected devices. If you're looking for a smart home display with extra features, the Nest Hub Max 2 has got you covered. Need power on the go? The EcoFlow DELTA Pro Ultra is the ultimate portable power station, designed for everything from outdoor adventures to emergency backup during a power outage. With an expandable capacity of up to 25 kW, this beast can run your fridge, charge your electric car, and power heavy-duty tools. It supports solar charging, giving you an eco-friendly option to keep your devices running. Whether you're off-grid or preparing for an emergency, the DELTA Pro Ultra ensures you're never without power. Now, let's talk about grilling like a pro with the Weber Summit FS38X Smart Grill. This isn't just any grill, it comes with Weber Connect technology, turning it into a smart grilling assistant. You'll receive real-time updates on your phone about when to flip the meat, adjust the heat, and even when your meal is done. With precision temperature controls and built-in thermometers, grilling is no longer a guessing game. From burgers to brisket, the Summit FS38X makes sure your meals are always cooked to perfection. Finally, here's a little something extra for all you forgetful types, the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. This tiny gadget helps you track down anything you might lose, like your keys, wallet, or even your pet. With ultra-wideband technology, it provides more precise location tracking than ever before. The augmented reality feature guides you directly to your lost item with easy-to-follow visual cues on your smartphone screen. Never lose track of your essentials again with the Galaxy SmartTag. And there you have it, -5 incredible gadgets that can transform your home, make your life easier, and keep you prepared for anything. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and where you can make these amazing gadgets. So be sure to subscribe to Gadget Waves and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.